Zoe jumping. Look at her little feet go. And there's Zoe. She's singing to us. And doing a dance. And jumping. Who's that song for?
Hey, Papa, help me. See?
Your papa helped you sing it? That's nice. You did a good job. You want to blow kisses to the camera?
Me. Oh, Papa's house.
Hey, Sissy.
Mom. It's Papa's house.
You want to what, Papa's house?
No, here at Papa's house.
You want to sing at Papa's house?
Here.
Oh.
Papa's house. Papa's house. Papa's house.
Yahoo! That's a good song. You know who's going to like that song? Your papa.
My Nana. Oh.
Do you know a Nana song? Well, I don't know. I thought you knew one. Maybe a song about your Nana's house? Okay.
That's my heart. My Nana's time. Nana's time.
Ta-da!
Nana's time. My Nana's time.
The Nana song.
Nana's time.
Wipe out! Are you tired now?
No.
No, you're just ready to go, aren't you?
Nana's.
Do you like to sing about Nana and Papa?
Nana's time.
Thank you.
Mommy.
Hey, sis. Can you say I love you?
No.
At least I got a singing no. Let's say bye-bye and turn it off. Bye.
Mom.
At least tell. Oh, sissy. Did you want to say bye-bye?
Mom.
Mama's laugh.